How this Twitch streamer wakes up in the morning will shock you. Asmongold is a popular Twitch streamer known for his political content and World of Warcraft. He started his career on YouTube playing the game, but his demanding streaming schedule, which along with his mental health struggles, often made it hard for him to keep his room clean. And he's definitely leaned into the meme by embracing some of the jokes about his messy setup. His inability to clean has even led to some of these legendary stories.
The thing is, I used to use a dead rat as an alarm clock. Whenever the sun would come up, it would start cooking the corpse of the rat, and then it would start smelling again, and then the smell would wake me up.
Subscribe if you want a rat alarm clock.